Why?
What is good, you guys? Shawan, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new. My name is Hlu Lanie, and if it is your first time joining us today, please do hit the subscribe button and also do turn on your post notification bell so that you do get notified whenever I drop a new video. Okay guys, today's video is a hair tutorial, and today we're coming with a natural look, which is this half up half down type of situation. It's so simple, it's very quick, it's a quick go-to hairstyle. So if you are interested, of course you are interested because you clicked on this video. So if you do want to see how I achieve this, then do keep on watching. Enjoy. What is good, guys? Shawan, and welcome back. So today's video starts with these sections. I don't know, what do you guys call these in your language? Okay, I don't know what they're called in Shitsonga, but yeah. So I start by unraveling the front part of my hair, and then I'm going to comb it out, and then we're going to work with that. So just to get it out there, my hair is clean, it's fully washed and moisturized, right? So yeah, and then after removing these matutas, I don't know what they're called. After removing them, I'm going to take my afro comb and I'm going to start detangling or picking, whatever you want to call it. So just comb out my hair just to get the extra volume, and notice how I am doing this. You see how I'm doing it? I'm starting from the tip and then going down to the roots, just to get all the tangles and all the knots out of my way. Okay, so now that I know where I want my bun to be, I take this bottle that has all my oils. So in there is hairline repair, there's a hair growth oil, there is coconut oil, there is olive oil, there is almond oil, and there is castor oil. So those are all the oils that I use. So I just put them in one bottle that I can just squeeze out whenever I want to do anything, or a hairstyle, or just to use the oils. And then after that, I'm going to take my brush and my gel. You can use any gel that you want. In this case, I was using that one. I will insert a picture of it right here. So I just scoop the thingy and then the gel, and then I apply it on the brush, and then I'm just going to massage it into my hair. And then after applying the gel, I just took a hair tie and I'm going to tie my bun, and then I'm going to fluff out my hair, and then just to make the bun to have like extra volume. And then we are going to work on the back part of the hairstyle. So we are almost done. And remember, when you're picking or detangling, you start from the roots, no, from the sorry, from the tip going down to your roots. So yeah, that's how you do it. And then you will have a half up, half down. And also how you comb your hair. If you comb your hair going upwards, it'll go up. Remember, we are natural, we are 4C natural. So if you comb your hair going up, it'll go up. If you comb it going down, it'll go down. So with me, I combed it going up and it stayed up. It never went down, as you can see. And then after this, you just play around with your hair and just style it however you want it, and then accessorize it a bit and add your oils just for the extra, I don't know, for the extra oils, for the extra shine and everything. Yeah, but basically this is the hairstyle. You are done, you're good to go. And then I'm just going to accessorize it and I'm done. And if you are still watching, thank you so much. You are a resident in my heart. I appreciate you. You are my all. I can't live without you. Hey guys, thank you so much. You're on the road to 700 subscribers. As I'm filming this, we are sitting on 691 subscribers. Let's get to 1k subbies. Thank you so much for watching up until this far. I appreciate it. If you did enjoy, do not forget to click the like button, and I'll see you on my next upload. Bye.